Okay, we're out in the boondocks. We're going to Joyo Seafood, Chinese food. So you can sit on these big like Chinese style tables with a revolving centre, you know, and stuff if you can order a lot of stuff. So we'll check out the menu. It's a pretty massive menu actually. The menu is just too big to go through even. Any type of fish, there's all fish. You know, there's prawns, there's soups, there's crab, there's everything. Squid, you name it, they've got it. So when we decide what we're going to get, I'll tell you what we're going to get. Because the menu's just too big to review, you know. So what do we got?
We got cumi, sorry.
Ikan merah kecil,
Udang
cabai garam,
ikan bakar pedas,
cabai garam, kakak merah bakar pedas, kangkung bawang putih, nasi putihnya 2.
kangkung bawang putih,
ya es teh tawar 1.
nasi putih ya.
Ya sudah. Es teh tawarnya 1. Jeruk.
Es teh tawar.
Jeruk anget tapi yang manis ya, jangan yang manis.
Udang cabai garam, kakak merah bakar pedas, kangkung bawang putih, nasi putihnya 2, es teh tawar 1, jeruk hangat manis 1.
Ya.
Atas nama siapa?
Sudah. So what I did was bought the whole restaurant out so it's empty, so it's just you and me. Really romantic, darling.
You booked this place
I
just
booked
for
the
me.
place out just for you. That's why it's empty.
Wow.
So then people over there, they got up and left as soon as we turned up. It cost me like $1, 10,000.
No,
Just so romantic, saying.
it's only 5:30.
Yeah, it's only 5. That's the thing up here, because of the hour time change with Bali. It's like it's dark at 5 o'clock. You know, it's really strange, eh? So, but there is a massive storm. I don't know whether you can see it on camera, and it's just black out there, eh? And apparently there's 100% chance of rain by 7 o'clock. It's 5:30, so. And it's already spitting rain anyway, so we're going to get wet on the way home. We're only like a kilometre and a half away, but we're going to get wet for sure. So there's another big restaurant on the back down there. Must be a different separate driveway into it. Alright. It's pretty big too. So I suppose this place it's pretty cheap. The meals are cheap, you know, squid and all that's 40,000. The fish is 90,000, but it's pretty good sized fish. And so apparently it gets pretty busy, this place. So anyway, we're lucky it's only like a Monday night or something. Probably everyone was here busy on the weekend, and it's nice and quiet, which is good. Like I like it, especially when you're quiet, darling. You're not.
No, when you like this to me, I'll be like this.
Okay, all right. So it's got a ST tawar, tea with no sugar. Really got a warm orange juice. Apa ini?
Kasih.
What's this? Oh, sambal. There's sambal mata here. Oh, I got pickles. These are really good. It's like pickled cucumbers and carrots. They soak it in a real mild vinegar or something. It's really good. Yeah, very good. Alright, so this is where it all happens. Oh, this is our fish. It's like a red snapper. Alright. Alright, and they got a grill going here. So we're the only ones here, so I suppose it's for us. The thing about Chinese cooking is very quick, you know. They fry it and then they whack it on the grill, just to grill it. And just to char it up a bit. So they butterfly the fish first. Alright, now he's painting it with sambal. Oh, that'll be hot. Put tons of sambal on it. Sudah. Banyak. Pedas sekali itu. Alright. So then they just grill it up a little bit. That's the thing about Chinese cooking, it's really quick, you know. They'd already cooked all the vegetables and everything else we got already by the time we got there. We only ordered, it's already on the table, look, when I got back. So this is the prawns, it's udang cabai garam. It's like cabai is chili and garam is salt. So, and this is kangkung with bawang putih, and bawang putih is garlic. And nasi putih because it's white, putti is white, is white rice. So now the grilled fish is coming, and yeah, you can see how quick they cooked it. Like in 3 minutes, it's all done. You know. Right, so Ellie's she put some of the pickles on it, some kangkong, and this is the prawn. The thing with prawns, but here they leave the shell on them. You know, maybe they've just left the tail. Sometimes they leave the tail. Sometimes they leave the whole shell on. So after a while, you get used to just crunching up the shells. I couldn't do it for a long time, but now I'm sort of used to it. Alright, so let's try a couple of these prawns. A couple of these prawns on. Actually, I'll just eat one straight out first. Try it out. Nice and crunchy. Tail and all. Very good. The Indonesians really fry hell out of their fish. Like in Australia, we fry it just so the meat. So we like their meaty sort of fish, but they cut slots in it, in the fish, and just fry hell out of it till it's crunchy. You know, like no. But yeah, this prawn's all right. So we've got sambal. You'll eat it with a little bit of pickles as well. This is like the pickles, so I'll try a bit of that. Pickles, prawn. It's the whole prawn. Okay. Thanks, mate. All right. So this is the fish. There's a little red snapper, and he was just painting sambal on it when he was grilling it. They fry it first and then grill it. And I told him to stop because he was just putting too much sambal on. And then they even give you more with it. Look. So it's very, very hot. So what's this? Just a couple of chunks of meat. Just grab chunks of meat and try out a bit of this fish. You know. Me being an Aussie, just grab it with your hands. Yeah, it's spicy, but not too spicy. A bit salty actually. So try a bit of this. Now you don't have to put sambal on this fish because he just painted hell out of it. You can see all the sambal in here. Look at it all over it. So they fry it, paint it with sambal, and then keep grilling it, keep painting it. So that's good. That's real good. Very salty actually. So there's probably a lot of salt in the sambal that they use to grill, you know. All that, big chunks of fish. And I think it was 90,000 the fish, which is about $8.50 or something. So, you know, that'd be a good meal for one person, or split between two, because we've got a few things. We just got a small fish, and you can get a big fish as well for 120,000, about, you know, $11.50 or something, you know, for a big one, twice as big. And we'll try a bit of this kangkong, and they call it water spinach, you know. It's growing it. So this is kangkong. It's got chili and garlic and that all through it. It's really garlicky, you know. I think in English they call it water spinach because it grows in like rice paddy type water, covered in water, you know. Yeah. But I do like the prawns, they're very good. So, anyway, I'm going to hook into a few of these, and yeah. What do you think of the fish? You like the prawns? I don't mind the fish. It's nice and crunchy. I'll just pull crunchy bits, pick it up and eat it. Not too bad at all. So they cut the fish in half and butterfly it.
So they fried it first?
They fry it first and then grill it, yeah. So I just punched in on Google Maps closest restaurants near me, and this one popped up, and it was only 1.5 kilometres away. So everything else is like full-on Indo food, you know. I thought, oh well, this seafood, let's try it out. And yeah, it's not too bad. It's well priced. Apparently, it's popular with the locals, this place. Yeah, and I suppose it's just about to pour rain, so there's no one here. We're the only ones here. Alright, got the wings of the fish, best bit. The wings, the cheeks, and right at the tail. So good. So, really scraping up all the Chinese spice and all the chilli and garlic off the prawns and just eating it with rice. Okay, so just demolished the fish and the prawns and nearly ate all the kangkong. There was so much of it. Yeah, that was enough. I was thinking about ordering some more prawns or some squid, but pretty well full now. Yeah, that was a good feed. So we'll see what the bill comes to. It'll be less than 20 bucks, you know, probably. No? More?
This one nice.
If you haven't tried these little Indonesian pickles before, it's like cucumber and carrot and that. And normally give it, when you buy mutterbak and that, you get little bags of it, you know. It's really good. It's a very mild pickle, you know, just a touch of vinegar or something. They must put in some water and just soak it for a long time, and yeah, it's good. Well, I'm glad I come in here. It's good, real good. Okay, so that was 200,000, 20 bucks, about 20 bucks, a bit less. So it's pretty good. That's what I estimated it to be, about that price. It's very good. If we were staying around here longer, yeah, I'd be back here for sure. I can definitely recommend it. So anyway, Joyo Seafood. I'm going to get back on the ADV. Not too bad bikes, these. Very similar handler and everything, just like my PCX. So get on that and, don't know, maybe look around for a coffee shop or something. It's already dark and it's still early, you know. It's only 6 o'clock.